A pullback of 3.50% in Ethereum is forecasted for tomorrow per Traders Union. Let's kick off with a short check on today's activity. Today, Ethereum has gone up 0.80% and is now sitting around $2,921.24. Let's run through today's expert calls. According to crypto predictions, we might see $2,959.43 tomorrow, about 1.30% higher than now. CoinCodex believes Ethereum could move upward toward $2,931.26, a potential increase near 0.40%. CoinPrice Forecast notes it may head downward toward $2,904, around 0.60% lower. A separate forecast by Traders Union shows Ethereum might edge down to $2,817.57, a projected decrease near 3.50%. And in closing CoinDataFlow suggests the price may dip to $2,778.55 by January 28th, 4.90% below now. This is the most profitable return estimate. All 5 predictions are done. Let's move on. The forecasts are laid out. Now let's examine the key figures. Looking at the spread, prices could shift from a decline of 4.90% to a gain of 1.30%. As a result, CoinDataFlow is expected to post the highest return with 4.90% growth in value by January 28. Based on these results, you could generate between $4 and $49 for every $1,000 you invest. When factoring in volatility, CoinCodex's forecast indicates the most likely price change with a 85.60% probability. By merging all 5 forecasts, I've established a single consensus view. The combined forecast position Ethereum at nearly $2,878.16. Here's what the breakdown shows. The consensus outlook indicates a potential 1.50% decrease. With that change, your capital could likewise see an increase of 1.50%. On 1,000, this projection could equal a potential gain of $15. And in this case, the probability attached to the consensus projection for Ethereum is about 77.40%. As the next step, let's review the short-term 3-day predictions. Crypto Predictions projects continued upside pressure. For the near term, additionally, CoinCodex expects Ethereum to follow an ascending path. The view from CoinPrice Forecast is that price action will be muted. Traders Union expects losses to extend. Additionally, CoinDataFlow points to further weakness. Bringing all forecasts together, the consensus points to Ethereum remaining largely unchanged. Bringing all perspectives together, 60% of analysts agree on a move to the downside for Ethereum. 2 days ago, 5 forecasts were published. Let's see how they aligned with yesterday's move. In the end, the price wrapped up the day at $2,930.05. 3 of 5 forecasts were right about the move. Judging by accuracy, CoinCodex had the most exact forecast. Now let's break it apart. 3 predictions match the span of the daily candle. For ROI performance, several analysts achieved gains, but Traders Union stood highest. And here's the verification table. Every result checked and lined up for you. In the final stats, Crypto Predictions posted 2.20% ROI and accuracy. Look at the performance. Who seems to have captured the trend most clearly? Now we'll see how Ethereum stands in tomorrow's expected returns compared with a few others. Tomorrow's forecast rankings put the reviewed asset on top with 1.50% potential gain. For now, Ethereum is compared with only 4 random cryptocurrencies, but a detailed comparison with many more will follow soon on my website and Telegram channel. Before you leave, show some support with a like and subscribe so I can keep gathering forecasts for you. Catch you in the next summary.